In this video, we will see how to create a e-commerce website using WordPress, and here we are applying the premium theme, but the cost is very reasonable. Okay, fine, let's start. Okay, so initially we need a domain and hosting for create a e-commerce website. Okay, fine. So number of domain and hosting providers are available in the market, but the best domain and hosting providers are Hostinger. Actually, when you have to apply by the referral code, you get a additional offer of 20 percentage plus 30 percentage, so totally 30 percentage. Here, without referral link, you have to just check out the hosting plan. Here, you did not get a referral discount. I explained that. So now I have to choose that. There are no referral discount when you have to directly go to on the hosting website. When we have to move on the referral link, just copy the referral link, then just paste it. You can research about the hostinger in both of YouTube and Google. No one post negative review because the hostinger is one of the best and affordable domain and hosting providers, because they are provide the free emails, free SSL and number of services in very reasonable price. Okay, actually I am from Tamil Nadu, so I am not good in English, so please adjust the language. Okay, fine, let's start. First you have to choose. Now I go to on the I copy and paste the referral link and then just enter on it, and now you have to choose the hosting plan. So here you have a doubt like which plan I we have to choose, like WordPress hosting or web hosting. So when compared to the website builders, it's the Intel, it's built by the hostinger, but it not so many features. So the competition is WordPress hosting or the web hosting. So when compared to that, the web hosting is tailoring customized, but the WordPress has no tailoring. So and initially you have to go to on the web hosting, and in the future you can upgrade the cloud hosting, because the cloud hosting for large scale project only. For small and medium, web hosting is perfectly fine. Okay, fine. So when compared to the initially two plan and other the business plan and cloud starter plan is 200 GB, but here this is a 100 GB, sorry 100 GB, this is a 50 GB. Here we can add up to the only one website only, but here we can add up to the new website. It means actually first understand, for the every domain we need a hosting, then only we can able to deploy the website. For example, the client asking the domain for shama.in, so the domain needs hosting, then only the domain able to working properly. So every domain need hosting, sorry, every domain need a hosting. Okay, but when you have choose this plan, you can add up to 100 website, you can add up to 100 website. 100 website means 100 domain in one single hosting. In a single hosting you can add up to 100 website, but here you can add up to only one website. And another advantage is here you can get a free domain surety, but here not sure the free domain. So we can no option for it, we can 100% choose the premium plan. Okay, now click choose plan, and it will be directly redirect to on the checkout page. Actually my client asking the 12-month plan, but when you choose the 48 months you get a more offer. Okay, now you can see that there are 20% referral discount are included. Actually the price is without tax, based on the country the tax is will be deferred. Now I choose the 12 months and then go to on the country page, and now I choose that, I copy that and give the some password. Okay, fine, then click continue, and then it will be redirected to the payment methods like the UPI payment or credit card or net banking or something like that. And now we have to choose the UPI because it's very easy to make a payment. And then the client name is Ramesh Kumar, and the client phone number is, this is the client phone number, and just enter it. And the state is Tamil Nadu, and the cities, oh sorry, actually the state is Bangalore. So Bangalore means Karnataka. Fine. City Bangalore, and the street address. This is the street address near DMart. Okay, so actually they are not accept the symbols, special character. Okay, fine. And the zip code is, this is zip code. And then suppose if you have the GST, then you can add the company date, and click continue. And now based on the country, the tax will be added. Actually in the India country, the tax is I think 378. Suppose if you are if you are living in UK or US, UK, for the UK country the tax is 0. Okay, fine. Now I choose the 378. Then I choose the UPI and submit payment. After purchasing the hosting, we can claim the free domain. Okay, now I choose the UPI ID. When you suppose if you are add the phone pay UPI ID, it asks in the auto pay. So don't worry about the auto pay. Auto pay means it's automatically renewal the next year. So after the payment, you can also disable the auto pay. Okay, fine. Now click continue button, and then pay using UPI, show QR code, generating QR code, and now I scan the QR. Okay. Okay, now the payment is successful. So after the payment, it will be redirected to the hostinger dashboard. Okay, fine. So it takes some seconds. So after that, we can able to install the WordPress and the claim the domain, something like etc. Okay. So and the next step is we have to move on the, actually you can't skip this method. And now we have to choose you are like to create a website or migrate a website. Now we have to create a website. So create a website, and then the option is WordPress or Hostinger. The best option is WordPress because WordPress gets number of features through the plugin. So next, and it automatically fetches the current email ID, and then you have to give the strong password, otherwise it will be again open the same page. So give the strong password and then click next, and you can choose that it's like online store. We can change it later that what's the pre-built, okay, built from the scratch, and what's the theme. Initially we have to move on the something like the Ocean WP is good, and the recommended plugin we can install the plugins later. And now we have to time for add the domain name. So this is the domain name already used at Hostinger. Okay, actually already used at the Hostinger, so it means use temporary. So once again, so it's already registered by someone, so we have to move on the another domain. Another domain means another extension like .co.in, and then we have to go to on the click next, and then it will be ask the address again. And now we have to choose the address Karnataka and the city Bangalore and the address. So address already we have to that, so just copy that and paste the address. Okay, so then actually they are not accepting the number. Okay, fine. So actually when you have add the address, at least one number. Okay, a number. Actually it's just optional, so don't worry about that. At least one number and one letter and no special character வராது வரக்கூடாது, அதனால அதெல்லாம் அழிச்சு விட்டுருங்க. So they are not accepting a special character, so remove the special character. So again, so where is the special character? At least one number and one letter and no special. Okay. The address location is filed only allowed. Then click finish registration. I understand Karnataka, India. I understand complete registration, and it takes some time. After that, it will be automatically open. For example, client name is shama.co.in. Server not found. So wait some time because now currently loading shama.co.in. Okay. And then it will be automatically registered. Okay, wait a minute. So after register domain, the WordPress also installed again. So now we have to refresh the page. It's 99%. So wait a minute. So sometimes based on the internet connection, sometimes it takes some seconds only, not a minute. Okay, it's actually the kind of location, the target of my users India. So the target audience India for my client. So based on your target audience, you can change the country. And now installing the WordPress. Now refresh the page. Again, also sometimes it will be second. Sometimes it will take time to load the content. Okay, so don't worry about that. And then we have to move on the next step. After installing the account, we have to actually I will show the theme. Actually, this is the theme actually. Sorry, this is a theme. Just copy that and paste it here. Actually, the theme is very quality. The cost is just $35, but so worth for money, value for money. So you can't get it, and no doubt. Okay, fine. So on the next step is, I think already it's done. So it take actually the theme cost is $35, including processing fees, something like that. It's around $40, I think. Already I have license, so recently I downloaded the theme file. After completing this, I give you the demo for how to do that. Okay. So wait a second. So working at say it's ready to build your online success. Yeah, it's almost completed. Yeah, now it will be completed. Again, yeah, connected domain. So connected domain means it's already connected. So don't worry about that. Hosting a HPanel website. So it will be redirected to the website. And now we have to connect a domain. So connected domain means it's connected. So don't worry about that. And now domain is connecting. Sometimes it takes some time. So home, click home, and then then now you get a mail. Actually, the client mail is shama.in@gmail.com. Then click manage. the domain is connecting your website's own backend until the process finish. So it something, it takes some time. Now we have to go to on the WordPress admin dashboard and set up all the things, then it will be automatically converted. So first you have to download the purchase the theme. After the next step, you have to download the essential plugin. So essential plugins mean go to on the plugin and then add new plugin. And before that we just install the theme first. So appearance, go to on the appearance and the themes and delete the unwanted themes. Unwanted themes means extra themes because it occupy the some space. So delete the extra space, and add new theme. I already purchased the theme, so now upload the theme, browse and click downloads images, and this is the theme file. Double click that, then click install now. So now it will be installed successfully. So after that we can integrate the website. So before that I think it will be connecting the domain because sometimes it takes some time. So theme installed successfully. Now I activate the theme. So after activate the theme, it will be activate the license key. So already I have the license key. For the security purpose, I pause the video. Okay, fine. Actually, I activate the license. Though, so then we have to click begin install plugin and select all the stuff. Then click install. So now it takes some time for installing that. It take time means just 1 minute it will be completed. And the next step is you have to, after installing the plugin, you have to activate the plugin. And the next step is so again it will be not connected. So don't worry about that, it will be connected. Okay, yeah, now it will be installed and go to on the return to plugin installer. And then now activate, then click, then apply. And now all the things are activated. Yeah, now it's the mostly completed. Then go to on the dashboard. And now you can able to see the main dashboard. You can click skip, click skip, click skip, click skip, and then you have to remove the file. And now you have to dismiss this, just remove the unwanted pages, glance, just minimize that, and then go to on the stats in the main dash here. Okay, fine. So the next step is go to on the press smart demo import. Now we have to add some demo. I think the demo is here. We can choose the first one is very good, I think, or we can move on the second one. Both are the good, so I think we can go for the second one. Import all, install demo. So okay. So it take I think 1 minute. After that it will be automatically, you can preview the check here. This is a preview domain. So importing, after the importing we can work like how to customize the theme. For example, changing the logo, header, footer, and the more things. Actually initially it will be initially it's something hard to understand, but yeah, it will be almost is completed. So fine, yeah, it's almost completed. And then we can start the further steps. So this is the currently we have our domain, this is our currently domain. Yeah, it will be fine, I think. So this is our currently demo. And then the next step is go down the pages. So sometimes it will be the issue, there are no pages imported. So again you have to import the same steps, demo import. And now I have choose the first one, import. Sometimes the pages are not imported, so you have to do that again. So don't worry about that. I think the demo is again on. Yeah, currently it's working on. So within, yeah, I think within 20 or 10 minutes it will be okay, fine. So don't worry about that. Because before that it's showing server not found, but now showing secure connection failed. So I think it will be open within 20 or 10 minutes. So now I think it's in this time it will be imported successfully, fine. So then, so wait a minute. So yeah, it's almost I think completed 1650 36 8300. Yeah, it will be completed. And then again go to on the pages. Yeah, now everything is completed. Okay, fine. So now the next step is I think we have to reload the current website. For example, this is our current website. So now you can check out that this is our current website. Once again. So now go to on the appearance, then customize. Now we have to start for editing the theme. So go down the customize and then the gender section. In the gender section we have to choose the wide. So wide means it will be now currently it's showing on the boxed. So when you have to choose the wide, then it will be showing the full screen. Yeah, now it's showing the full screen. So this is actually this is a demo product. You can't change it later, that you can't change it, fine. So now, and the next step is you have to upload a logo. So here you can upload a logo. For example, here I have click upload, select files, and then actually my client logo is download images, and this is my client logo. Here you can edit image, select. So actually here you can convert the, you can crop the image. Actually I think cancel editing. Okay, fine. So later that we can set the logo. Sometimes it will be facing error. I think we have to, it means we have to crop the image. So later that we can set the logo. And the next step is we have to move on the theme styling. So theme styling means we can't set it the primary color. We can't change the primary color. For example, if you want this color, you can set the primary color. Okay. So then the next step is top bar. For every step, you can choose the header color and something like everything. And the navigation, for the navigation also, here I choose the dark blue. and then menus and categories menu also blue color. Okay, so and the next step is buttons. So button means uh, button background you can choose something like the special red color, and add to cart button. So add to cart button, this is add to cart button, and for the buy now button, checkout button, checkout. So this is a checkout button. You can't set every button for this. Add to cart, buy now. Okay, so this is the basic step. And then theme styling. In the theme styling, you have to go to on the navigation, and here you can increase the navigation size because 54 is very small, so you can't change the size like 54. And then you can also change the font size. So change the font size means go to on the typography, and then you have to go to on the menus. So this is the menus. Here you have to apply the font size. Font size, I think the 18-19 pixel is fine. Yeah, 19, or we can choose like 18. 18 also fine. Okay, 18 pixel is fine. And then click publish. Then here just reload the page. Yeah, now I think it's looks fine. Okay, you can't remove that. And then the next step is one by one you can check out that. Then you get some clear idea like what will we do. And the site identity, here you can't choose the site identity. You can't choose the site icon. So site icon means here this is site icon. You can here actually you can crop the image. Actually sometimes the crop image is working, is not working. Okay, fine, later that we can check. Actually the header main we have now, you can't change the number. For example, my client number is this is my client. This is my client email ID, and this is the number, and the client email ID is this is the client email ID. Or we can change like archive like import. Okay, fine. Then address I'm thinking like currently you can give some fake address means you can give your address. And the next step is shopping by categories, and the next step is you can't choose the header also top. Suppose if you don't want the top bar, you can't remove that, or you can and here also you can choose the header layout. Every header have something like that. And then Ajax search, here you can rename the search for products. Okay, fine. So then, and the page heading, so page heading, this is a page heading, and the next is a footer page. So footer part you can change the footer part. Here the pressmart logo, so this is a pressmart logo. We can't remove that, or we can do that. Shama copy current year by theme of, give your name, so give your name or give your company name or something like that, or you can just remove that. All rights reserved, simply put it. Yeah, all rights reserved. And the next step is footer categories. So footer categories, you can add the number of categories based on your needs. And then footer, yes, you can choose the footer and the subscribe button. Suppose if you want subscribe, then you can enable that. And then so actually this is the, and then you can edit the home page, and then they go down the pages, then go down the second page and go down the third page. Actually this is our home page. So now click edit with Elementor. Before that, I think we are forgetting to and then actually we are need to WooCommerce settings. We need to enable the maintenance mode. So site visibility, go to on site visibility and enable coming soon. Switch. Okay. So now you can rename the letters. All orders for above over rupees 500. You can customize the names. So you can do that later, that you can do that, and then you can delete the top brands or something. If you want this, you can keep it, otherwise you can delete that. And then for every changes, finally give the publish button. Okay, so then now reload the page. Now we can go down the product, then it will be enabled add to cart, something buy now button, etc. Everything is available. For the go down the payments, now I click add to cart, checkout, and then it asks me the billing address and the currently no payment methods. But here you have to choose the cash on delivery. So after you enable that, just I refresh the page, the cash on delivery will be enabled. Yeah, the cash on delivery will be enabled. So I go mostly I covered all the things. Then suppose if you want to modify, then go down the menu section. Actually we are forgetting to add the menus. Go down the appearance and menus. This is the current template menu. So here you have to remove the menus completely. So remove the menus means primary menu. This is the primary menu and this is the secondary menu. Secondary menu means category menu. Just delete the menu. And you have to notice that this is the primary menu. So now you have to create a new menu. Create a new menu, give some name. For example, here I give the primary menu and then click create menu. So after that, just search, go down the search tab. I think now it will be opened, and now go down the search and then click home, search home. So actually this is our front page. So add to menu. Now save menu. Then after add the categories, you can add it. Home now currently the home one will be displayed. And then just enable the product categories. This is a product categories, just enable it, screen option. So after that you can also follow the same step, analog watch, add to menu, then just save menu. Then it will be enabled analog category. So based on the analog gets, the number of product will be opened. Okay. Suppose if you don't want that, just remove that. Remove that, then click save. And suppose if you want to edit the product, then go down the product section, then click edit product, then you can change it based on your needs. You can change it. Click edit. So then you can edit the price. So it's a variable product, so you have to go to on the various section, then click edit. Here you can edit the price, regular price, sale price, everything. So I hope this video is very useful for you. And actually, suppose if you want to the second part, then give command. I will publish a second part for more information to continue the customization. So actually I don't know because how many people are currently watching the video. So if you are really, this video is very helpful, just comment below. I will upload the second part. And thank you.